So what I have is a one-click brander page that allows you to instantly brand this page right on the fly, so that by simply having your liveGood username at the end of the URL here, this page simply brands to you, and this button becomes your join link for your liveGood business. So when they click here, it goes to the liveGood username that is added into the URL on this page. It automatically brands, and so this is your liveGood page that is being promoted. So what you do is you just copy this whole URL down. You simply put the username for your liveGood at the end of that URL, and you just grab that from your back office of liveGood at the end there, and copy it down, take it over, paste it in the URL, and this page instantly becomes branded to you.